there's a new frontier waiting in cyberspace. By day, it sizzles with excitement and fun. By night, it explodes with entertainment and dining. What is this new frontier? .Vegas.
Hi, I'm Oscar Goodman, and since June 1999, it's been my privilege to serve as mayor of the great city of Las Vegas. I have witnessed tremendous growth and change in the makeup of our community and our businesses since arriving in Las Vegas in the 1960s. Today, Vegas is the most recognized city and brand. We're the most popular holiday and convention destination. Regardless of where one travels, even in the most remote areas of the world, people recognize Vegas. Vegas is truly a unique place where visitors can enjoy world-class hospitality and entertainment, adventure and excitement, all within one convenient geographical area. Since it was established in 1905, the city of Las Vegas has been the primary steward of the Vegas name and brand. No specific state law or local ordinance controls how the Vegas name is used. However, the Las Vegas City Council is the ultimate governmental authority. As mayor, I can tell you we're guided daily by our obligation to preserve, protect, and enhance the integrity of the Vegas name for our residents, businesses, and even the surrounding areas. With that responsibility in mind, and after many months of in-depth review, verification, and vetting by our legal counsel and business development office, the City Council formally passed a resolution endorsing the application of .Vegas Inc. to take the Vegas brand into cyberspace by establishing a .Vegas top-level internet domain. Based on letters of support from the Las Vegas Chamber of Commerce, the City of North Las Vegas, the Nevada Development Authority, and the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority, I can safely say that the .Vegas application also has the support of the community at large. The City of Las Vegas, as well as the surrounding community, its residents, businesses, civic organizations, and public entities stand to benefit directly and indirectly from this initiative without any cost or other financial burden being placed on our shoulders. It is a true public-private partnership that is poised to produce a win-win situation for all our stakeholders. I'm pleased to be a part of this innovative project and look forward to Vegas being the same class of premier destination in cyberspace that the city enjoys in our brick and mortar world. Please accept my wholehearted endorsement of .Vegas Inc. to be entrusted with the responsibility of establishing and maintaining the .Vegas top-level internet domain. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you here in Vegas or at .Vegas soon.